Hi everybody, it's Dave Revs and we are just taking a look at the Galaxy Z Fold 5 today. This is a brand new phone to me and to most people for that matter because it's just been released. And I'm changing my phone from, dare I say it, the Oppo Find X5. Yes, please comment below with all the jokes. It's the butt of many jokes with my family and friends. But I'm finally upgrading to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. I've just unboxed the phone, a couple of bits of, start guides, and obviously you get your charging cable in with the phone. You don't actually get a block with this, you just get the charging cable. A little bit surprised at that with the price of the phone, but nevertheless, this is what you get. I just wanted to do a quick video because when I was thinking about changing phones, I've not had a folding phone before. And there was a few sort of concerns online about build quality, the hinge on the phone, things that people didn't like about the Z Fold 4, which they were hoping were resolved in the Z Fold 5. So I just thought I would do a quick video, first impressions on build quality, and then later I'm planning on doing a video with the S Pen Slim case as well, just to see what that is like. But for now, we'll just talk about the phone. So I shall get rid of the box and we'll take a bit of a closer look. So first thing I really noticed was that the phone feels a lot lighter than what I expected it to. I thought it would kind of weigh the same as two phones because it essentially is two phones that fold together. But no, it actually feels really light compared to what I thought it would. The fold down the front of the phone I know is something that people always seem to mention, and I think on the video there it does actually look quite pronounced, but in reality when I'm sort of rubbing my thumb across it there, it's very shallow actually. Like I think if the screen was on and you were watching a video or something like that, I really don't think you'd actually notice that too much. So yeah, so far so good. Just looking around the outside of the phone, we've obviously got speakers and microphones and whatnot at the top. It does feel really solid. I've not really got any concerns with build quality from what I've seen so far. Will be interesting to just snap this closed and see what it's like. So yeah, so it does snap into place. It feels like a really nice mechanism on here, actually quite smooth. I don't know if the video really does it justice for you, but you do hear a sort of click into place when it does what it's supposed to be doing. Just looking through the gap there, so there is a little bit of a gap. It'll be interesting to see if that is the same when you have the slim case on. But yeah, it's I mean it's barely anything there, and it certainly doesn't close with that V shape that some people were talking about with the Z Fold 4. So phone definitely folds flat. One thing I will say is if you put it onto a desk, obviously those camera lenses on the back are quite they're quite pronounced. So yeah, they do stick out a fair way from the phone. So if you don't have a case on, it's definitely going to sort of rock backwards and forwards if you're lying on a desk. But I think, to be honest, when it's lay on a desk or anywhere for that matter, most people are probably going to be using it in maybe that kind of orientation. So I don't think it's going to be that big of a deal, or they might just be holding it like this. So yeah, looks really good actually, really good. So far so good. Nice little detail on the side there with the Samsung logo, if I can just catch it in the light for you as well. So yeah, it should be a little bit more premium, of course, because it's not a cheap phone. Yeah, so this is the grey and the black version. It did say it was an online exclusive, but you never know whether to believe that. There's probably absolutely tons of these. Few other colours available. I think there's a blue, silver, a black version of it. Yeah, first impressions are good. It does feel like a really sturdy, good quality bit of equipment. So yeah, If you want to look out for the next video when I will be putting the slim case on this and giving a quick review of that as well, that'd be great. If you could like the video, it's Dave Revs. I've not been doing these videos for long, as you can probably tell, but I'll be reviewing more tech as and when it gets released, and it would be great to get a few likes and a few subscribers, so that'd be much appreciated. Until the next one, thank you.